Well, I think we all need to understand the fact that there was no playbook to manage COVID as a situation. And in the whole process, most of the organizations, as well as human resource professionals, had a lot of learning in terms of how to manage that situation. And well, at RateGain, we ensure that we are putting together a 3Cs model where the 3Cs were defined as communication, compassion, and competence. When I say communication, there was a huge focus on the constant communication and the transparent communication with our people in the forms of town hall. Right? There were fortnightly town halls that were put in place with the global workforce that we have in the organization to ensure that people are being communicated about how we as an organization are thinking about them, their roles, their jobs, etc. in the organization. The second C, which is compassion, sort of focused on ensuring that our people feel valued and cared for. Compassion also involved recognizing and empathizing with the emotions and challenges which were being faced by people, who worked at RateGain. We had put together a mechanism where we had life coaches who sort of helped people in, self-discovery and boosting their morale. If you look back in time, each one of us in the, in our respective families were going through a lot of situations ourselves. And we at RateGain, we ensure that our people feel valued and cared for in the form of various initiatives that we have put together. The third C, which is competence, we ensure that we are assisting our employees in upgrading their skills and knowledge through various programs which were facilitated by RateGain. There was a huge focus on ensuring that while people have this time where they could be working from home and add to their skill, add to their competence, we ensure that each individual in the organization, irrespective of whether they come from product engineering background or from product management background, or a go-to-market person in the organization, there were enough and more learning interventions and learning programs and learning opportunities that were available for them that could give them a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment for their own career growth.